Welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the Manc menu. Today I'm going to be doing England's favourite takeaway. Now back in my day it was always fish and chips, yeah, but I believe that's been taken over by chicken tikka masala. Now there's not that many decent curry houses here in LA, so I've been trying to perfect my own take on it. I used a couple of non-traditional ingredients, one of which is in the title. So today, Matthew, I'm going to be making chicken tikka banana masala. First off, we cut the chicken and put it in a bowl. I prefer the breast, but you can use whatever you prefer. Then we add the ginger garlic paste. You can use the store-bought stuff, but if you take the time to make it yourself, you will taste the difference. And I'll leave a link of just how to do it below. Then half a teaspoon turmeric, a teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and then this is the important one, 3 to 4 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This will not only give it the immense flavour, it will give it that deep red colour that you'll be familiar with. Some fruitcakes use food colouring for this step, but as we've established, we don't use any synthetic nonsense on this channel. Then half a teaspoon mustard powder, the juice of half a lemon, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. On many recipes that you'll see online, you'll see that they add yogurt, but ask yourself, what do you do to a curry to make it less spicy? You add yogurt, yeah? Yogurt tempers the curry, it tempers the chili, so if you like it hot, the marinade is finished now. But if you like it a bit milder, add the yogurt. Honey's a bit of a lightweight, so I'm going to add a bit. Mix it well, then place it in the fridge for a few hours. Add the onions to the oil and begin to sweat down. Add a couple of bay leaves and keep stirring. After that, add the ginger and garlic paste and cook it through for about a minute. Then add the tomato paste and keep stirring. Take it off the heat and add all the herbs and spices that you used in the marinade. If you don't got Kashmiri chili powder, then just use regular chili powder. Some even use paprika. It'll work, it just won't be as good. Now, if you don't want to go to the trouble of making your own tomato sauce, not a problem. Just use the store-bought stuff, it'll still taste great. I planted a bunch of tomatoes a couple of months ago and they're beginning to yield, so I have to do something with them. Add a bit of water and keep stirring. Now it's time to add the banana. This is probably going to split opinion between the curry purists, but I'm telling you now, it works. But if you're stuck in your ways, just leave them out. Now I like my curries on the sweeter side, and I find if you add a couple of tablespoons of mango chutney, it really helps to balance out any bitterness from the spices. If you don't got mango chutney, honey or even sugar will do. And finally, we stir in the fresh cream.
Oh, you motherfucking cock blind bastard.
It's very spicy.
It is? What would you pay for it in a restaurant?
Yes, I just need some yogurt with it.
Okay.
Well, here's a banana. But you still need the yogurt on the side. But it's delicious.
Thank you. I told you not to have any curry puss. What did I tell you?